Okay, we're here at Artona Campground in Lock and Dam. Walking down the middle of the road, bird watching. There's lots of birds. There goes a couple of them. Hello, how are you doing? Everybody's so nice here. That is a group shelter. If you want to have an event, you can rent it just like a campsite. It does have water and electric. A lot of people go fishing over here. That's the Lock and Dam. I got that on another video. There's campsite number 1. Nobody's on it. Be kind of busy there during the day. They lock these up at night. So unless you're a camper, you won't be in here anyway. Here's number 2. They got some pretty good views over here. Site number 2.
This is last year when we saw that little otter thing.
Yep. Site number 3. And got a venture van on 4. A Tioga on 5. That's number 5. And then here's number 6. Oop, what number's over there? So that's 30. So we're 1 through 30. 30 is right by the lock. 29 has a Winnebago. 28, not sure what kind that is. Number 7's empty. Nice big wide open site with a lot of shade right now. I'd be liking that site. Site number 7. Number 8's empty. Cherokee on number 9. This one's got, don't they seem like a bigger angle or not really? I guess not. This site 10.
I don't know, it's a pretty good angle though.
I hear you. 10. A lot of vacancies here.
That's what that dude said.
That don't last though. 11. You can stay here up to 2 weeks at a time. And then you gotta go. 12. And a comfort station. Whew. That's another couple ADA sites around here. There's 25's an ADA. Yep. And that would be 26, 27. You get the idea. Site number 13. And we got a Coachman Prism on 14. A blank on 15. A tent on 16. Yeah. I seen this guy. It's my last campground. Okay. So what do we got here? 17, 18, 19, 22, 21 might be one of the biggest sites here. There's our dumpster. And there's 20, 19, 18. I think I'll call that a successful video. Darn nice day today. Seen a couple boats go through. These all have a good view of the Caloosahatchee River. If they weren't all occupied, I'd walk over there. There's a hummingbird. I like his flagpole. It's very patriotic. There's the Wayfarer. Pretty nice view through there. Okay, and that concludes our walkabout of Ortona. Miami's that way. Fort Myers is that way.